Let me ask you a simple but uncomfortable question. How many things do you deeply believe but don't actually live? Not because you are dishonest, not because you don't care, but because life gets busy, because intentions stay in your head and never make it to your calendar. Most people don't struggle with values, they struggle with follow-throughs. They believe in purpose but live reactively. They believe in community but isolate when things get hard. Hello and welcome back to another episode of the Mentium Podcast. Over the past few episodes, we've talked about powerful ideas like purpose, unity, gratitude, reflection, community, and even preparation for a new year. And if you've been listening closely, there's the question quietly forming beneath all of it. How do I actually live this? Because insight without action feels inspiring, but incomplete. Intention without action feels hopeful, but frustrating. Most people don't lack good intention. They lack translation. They know what they believe. They know what matters. They know what they should do. But knowing is not living. Today's episode is about crossing that bridge from intention to action. It's about closing the gap between who you say you are and how you actually show up when life gets busy, uncomfortable, or inconvenient. This episode is not about motivation. It's about embodiment. Not what you think, not what you post, not what you say at events, but how you live in the quiet moments, in the small decisions, in the unseen choices. Let's get started. Let's start with the truth. Most people mean well. They intend to be more present, support their communities, take care of their health, be patient with their family, follow through on goals, live with integrity. And yet, they don't. Not because they're lazy, not because they don't care, but because intention lives in the mind and action lives in the body. And the bridge between the two is not motivation. It's clarity, structure, and consistency. Here's what usually happens. You hear something inspiring. You feel moved. You say, I'm going to change. And then life keeps lifing. Work, family, distractions, stress, you name it. And that intention quietly fades. Not because it wasn't real, but because it wasn't grounded. Good intentions die when they are too vague, too big, too disconnected from your daily life. For example, I want to be more supportive. I want to give back. I want to be a better leader. Those are beautiful intentions, right? But they're not actionable. Action requires specificity. Living what you believe requires translation. Belief translates to behavior. Values translate to habit. Purpose translates to practice. Until that happens, intentions remain an idea, not a lived reality. Here's a hard but liberating truth. Your life reflects your habit, not your values. You can value health, but if you don't move your body doesn't know your values. You can value family, but if you are always distracted, your family feels your habits. You can value community, but if you never show up, your community doesn't experience your belief. This is not criticism. No, this is awareness. Most of us were never taught how to build habits around values. We were taught to think differently, believe differently, want differently, stand out of the crowd, but not to act differently in small, consistent ways. Let's make it practical here. Example number 1, intention versus action. Intention, I want to support my community. Then your action, one phone call a week, one checking text, 1 hour a month volunteering. You don't do everything, but just do something consistent. Example number 2, intention. I want to be more present. Action. Put your phone away during meals. 3, conscious breath before responding. Eye contact in conversation. Presence is not abstract, it's behavioral. Here's another example. If your intention is, I want to live with purpose, then your action should be aligning your calendar with what matters. Saying no to what drains you, saying yes to what aligns. Your calendar tells the truth. Your habits tell the truth. And here's the good news. You don't need to change your entire life. You need to change the direction of one small behavior. That's how intention becomes action. You see, most people think transformation comes from big moves, like big decisions, big moments, big announcements. But real change happens quietly. It happens when you do the right thing when no one is watching. It happens when you choose alignment over convenience. It happens when you show up constantly, not perfectly. Small actions matter because they are repeatable, they are sustainable, they shape identity. You don't become disciplined by making one big disciplined choice. You become disciplined by making many small ones. You don't become generous by just giving once. No, you become generous by practicing generosity regularly. You don't become a leader by holding a title. You become a leader by how you treat people daily. So ask yourself, what small action can I take today that aligns with who I want to be? What is one behavior I can repeat at not once, but often? Small actions build trust with yourself, and self-trust is the foundation of integrity. Beliefs are easy to hold on in isolation. They're tested in relationship. Community is where intentions meet reality. It's easy to believe in kindness until you're misunderstood. It's easy to believe in unity until there is a disagreement. It's easy to believe in support until someone needs you when it's inconvenient. Living what you believe means showing up even when it's uncomfortable, listening even when you disagree, supporting even when you don't benefit, staying engaged instead of withdrawing. This is why community is such a powerful mirror. It reveals where we align, where we avoid, where we still need growth. And this is also why mutual support matters. Support is not just emotional, it's practical. It looks like checking in, offering help, sharing resources, being present, holding space. Community doesn't need perfect people. It needs consistent ones. Let me offer you a simple framework you can take with you. Number 1, intention. What do I care about? What matters to me? Action. What small behavior expresses that value? Who am I becoming by repeating this action? For example, your intention is, I value growth. So the action would look like read 10 minutes daily. And your identity will become, I am someone who invests in myself. Here's another one. Intention. I value connection. Action. 1 intentional conversation per day. Identity. I am someone who shows up. This is how beliefs become embodied. Not overnight, not perfectly, but consistently. As I close today, I would like to invite you into reflection, not pressure. You don't need to change everything. You don't need to prove anything. You don't need to announce your intention. You just need to live them quietly. Ask yourself, what do I believe deeply? Where can I take one small action to live it more fully? What action will I repeat even when no one applauds? From intention to action is not a leap. It's a series of small, honest steps. And those steps, repeated over time, build a life that feels aligned, grounded, and true. Thank you so much for being part of this journey with me. Until next time, stay grounded, stay intentional, and live what you believe. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. I am Madiama, and this is Mentium. Peace.